Hmm? Wow, that will be like in video. Hmm?
Did you do that in video, Mike?
Yep, he's in video.
Oh, you're so cute.
Wow, believe me, this won't happen normally.
Are you eating? What are you eating? Oh, you're so sweet. You're the
Very
sweetest
clever.
thing. Yes.
Very clever. We're very impressed.
Oh. Oh.
You know something?
Hmm.
This is incredible.
Yeah. Oh. You got
This show what you get in this show, wow.
He's so beautiful.
Wow, this. Wow.
Ooh, you can
I can tell you what he's doing.
Ooh.
You know what he's doing?
You got a fish?
He's breaking the coconut.
Oh.
The shell of the coconut of the royal palm. But he's trying to get a fish. You see?
Yeah.
Did you
There was
get
a
that
fish
too,
down there,
Michael?
so he's trying to open way.
Got it.
He tried to open way to get the fish.
And he did. He got it, right?
You see? And now he have the fish.
You are smart.
Because yes, I never see him eating the coconut. He's breaking the shell, trying to open way.